Once you have set up the workspace and configured your material database, you can start creating modules. We are now in the Zero document environment. When you click the Create Module command, you are given the option to create a new product, a new component, a new panel, or a solo panel. In most cases, you will start by creating a new product. You need to enter its name. We named ours Philippe. Click the Create button. The assembly is created. You can then continue by adding modules. But since now you are working in the assembly environment, where it is no longer possible to create a new product, at this stage you can choose to create a new component, a new panel, a solo panel, or use one of the templates that come with the Inventor installation. We will create a drawer, so we select Create New Component. We enter the component name, Drawer. By clicking the Create button, a new component is created. Activate the component by clicking on it. We then proceed again to module creation by clicking the Shiphonyer tab and selecting Create Module command. You can see that now the available options are Create New Panel or Create Solo Panel. For the front of the drawer, we select Create New Panel and name it Front. By clicking the Create button, the front panel is added to the drawer assembly. The front panel is created with a base panel, allowing you to draw a custom contour, apply lamination, or add an edge band. The next element we add to the drawer component is a solo panel for the bottom. We name it Bottom. By clicking the Create button, Bottom is added to the list as a solo element. When we activate it, we can see that the EP Extrude Panel command can be applied to it. This command will be explained in more detail in a separate video. Save the structure created in this way to continue working with it later.